Have you ever joined a forum before, and how much money did you make? Well, if you've never made any money joining a forum before, there's a good video for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 plus by just signing up to a forum. When I say forum, I mean online groups, or just like Facebook groups, but this time it's an online platform which you join a forum and you make $100. But how do you do that? That is what I'm going to show you in this video. It's very simple, and it requires no skills or previous experience. You need no money to do it. You do it with absolutely $0, and you're gonna make $100 just by putting in the effort. And it's not gonna take a long time for you to see results. The results can be within 24 hours or 2 days. It depends on how you utilize the strategy that I'm about to show in the video. In order to make it possible, make sure you watch the entire video so that you never miss anything. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Mobile Money channel. Don't forget to like this video because it helps the algorithm. It lets me know that you guys are interested in making money online. So each and every day I'll continue to drop in videos teaching you how you can make money using your mobile phone. Well, this is the only channel I found on YouTube that is teaching you guys how you make money online using just your mobile phone. Well, you can also try all these strategies that I teach on this channel by using a computer, but for the purpose of this channel, Mobile Money channel, I use my mobile phone doing it, and you can also use your mobile phone as well. It doesn't matter whether you are on iOS or Android, you can implement the same strategy because it requires just internet connection and your mobile phone. Alright, without wasting much of your time, let's move in, and then let me teach you how you're gonna make money just by signing up to a forum or by joining a forum. The first thing you have to do is you enter a website called findaforum.net. So you search in findaforum.net here, and you press enter. So when the website opens, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna find a forum. As the website name goes, it says what? Find a forum. So this is a forum that you're gonna find. Which forum are you going to find, and which one are you gonna make money with it? You're gonna make money with a cooking forum. Understand? A cooking niche. So how are we gonna do that? Just click on this button right here, and then when you click on this button, let me zoom in so that you guys see. And then when you click on this button, you can see it opens list of things. You can see the home, about section, you can see the categories, and then you can see explore forums and hottest niches, random forum. And here you're gonna click on where it says categories, and when you click on categories, you can see a bunch of things opens, and then there are a lot of lists here, and you're not interested in any of them other than cooking, because I told you you're gonna find a cooking forum, and that is where you're gonna make $100 within 24 hours or 48 hours from it. It requires you a little bit of effort, but you know, it takes less than 30 minutes of your time to complete anything, and money starts coming autopilot. So here what you're gonna do is you click on cooking, and once you click on cooking, you can see it opens, and there are a lot of forums here. Well, you can sign up to either 2, 3 or more forums, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna select the number 3 here, that is discuss cooking. So once you click on one of these forums and it opens, you can see I click on what? Discuss cooking, and it has opened. And once it opens, what are you gonna do? You're gonna click on visit forum. So when you click on visit forum, you can see the forum is right here. We are in the forum, and this forum is like a group. It contains a lot of members, maybe 100,000, 200,000, or even more. You can check that yourself. I'm not gonna cover that in this video, but since it has a lot of group members here, we're going to join this forum. And you click here, it says what? Click here to log in. Actually, it's not only this forum that you're gonna join. You can join other ones, as I said, but if you also want, you can join this one, discuss cooking, and it has gotten what? A lot of followers or group members. You're gonna be one of the members. You click on sign in, log in or something, or you sign up for this group. Okay, and when you sign up, what are you gonna do? This is where you're gonna make the money. So you come to a website called Digistore24. Search on a website called Digistore24. Digistore24. You can see it here. You search, and when it opens, what are you gonna do? You're gonna click on here. It says register now if you've not registered before, or you click here. It says login if you already have an account. And when you click on register now, you fill in small info. Well, I'm not gonna cover that. You just type in username, you select your country, and you select you fill in a little info here, and that's all. Well, after doing that, make sure you select either vendor and affiliate, or you can select only affiliate. Make sure you select vendor and affiliate. That's what I recommend. So when you log into Digistore24, you're gonna click on top here. It says marketplace at the top right corner. And when you click on marketplace, here it's gonna open this page. And what are you gonna do here in the marketplace? You're gonna browse through the categories, and what are you gonna select? You're gonna select here. It says what? Food and drinks, because you see cooking is under food and drinks. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna find a product here, and that is this product right here. That is 100% raw lab, the ultimate recipe collection. Well, this product will give you 50% commission, and that is $10.56. That is $10.56. Alright, so what are you gonna do? You click on promote. When you click on promote, they'll give you a special link, and you copy that. You copy the link, and when you copy the link, you are done. You see, you are done. So when you copy the link, you leave this website and you open what we call Google Docs. So when you open Google Docs, you type in this template. I'm going to leave this template in the description so that you guys can copy it. You download this DocTemplate and you use it as well, because I want to help you guys also make money online as soon as possible. So when you type in this template, which is already down for you in the description, you just download it, and it will be like this. You copy the entire template and then put it in your Google Docs. Google Docs, if you guys don't know, it's an application, and this is the application. If you don't have it, you just browse on Google and you can have this application right there on Play Store or either on Apple Store. So you open this Google Docs, and then you add a file. You just click on plus and you click on new document. So when you click on new document, you paste this entire template. Say you highlight this template after downloading it from my description. You highlight it all and you click copy, and you're gonna paste it right in your Google Doc that you opened. I said you click on plus and then you click on new document. So when you finish, you paste this entire template in your doc. You're gonna select the here, and then you click on this three dot here, and you click on insert link. So what link are you gonna insert? You click here, it says link. You paste the link. That is your affiliate link. You see, this is your affiliate link for that product. That's the cooking recipe list collection that we selected, or we click to promote. So we click on the check mark here. That is done. So you can see that here is turned blue. And what's going to happen anytime a person clicks on this here, it's going to send a person to the sales page of that recipe collection, and the person will definitely buy that product because it costs less. It's around $20 or $24, and it's not a big brainer for someone in the cooking age. That's why we select people from the cooking age, because they're always interested in learning new recipe that they can cook, understand. So when the person read this entire thing, it's a top 100 easy dinner recipes. So when you need to feed a family or kids, the person starts to read all this entire thing, and because he doesn't go into depth, the person will be curious to know much, or the step-by-step guide which will teach him or her how to do this entire thing here, and the extra 100% or the extra 99 or 90 recipe. So he will definitely click here, and when you click here, it open this page. Let me open. So whenever the person clicks on the here, he will refer to the affiliate sales page. But because I want you guys to copy my template and insert your own link, is that if you don't do that, the person wouldn't get any link to click on. You can see buy now here is just 19 euros, and the person will be interested to buy. So whenever the person buy, you get a 50% commission. That's $10. You see euros, when you convert, you're gonna get over $10. And let's say you get 10 people to buy this product or this recipe guide. 10 people buy it today. How much are you making? You're making $100. Let's say 20 people buy tomorrow. You're making extra $200, making it $300 just in 2 days. Just try this. It takes only less than 30 minutes of your work and you are done, because I have this guide, and that is a doc already done for you. I don't want you guys to pass into a lot of stress. That's how I did everything for you. All you have to do is you highlight this here, and then you click on insert, and then you insert your affiliate link. So guys, how do you see it? It's very easy, right? So if you're very much happy, I let you know this strategy, which is making people that I know hundreds of dollars each and every day on complete autopilot, then consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to give this video a like, because I put in much effort to help you guys know this information on. If you guys don't show anything which tells me that you're interested in making money with your mobile phone, it will trigger me to also move on or move ahead doing more educative videos and strategies which help you to make money online. That's why I recommend you guys subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to comment below, find the forum, because that is the website you're gonna use. Comment below, find the forum, so that I know that you guys are interested in making money online and you support this channel as well. I'll go below and then reply to each and every one of you guys. That's it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.